Here is a DJI Phantome 4. Let's unbox this cool drone. It's really nice box and cool carry case. Actually, it's very cool and practical as well. Turn the lock, open the case, and you see everything is inside. Drone itself, manuals, props. It's coming with 8 props, so 4 is a spare. USB cables, not for the iPhone. Then we have a charging cables, battery, it's pretty heavy, and the remote itself, tablet holder, and it can hold a smartphone as well. 2 USB connection on the back. Remove the safety frame from the gimbal. Plug in battery. We're gonna need an iPhone and iPhone cable. Let's plug to the iPhone and to the remote on the back. Run your DJI Go app. Turn drone on. Remote as well. Launch the app. Gimbal is smooth. You have the motors with the 3 black dots and motors without dots. As well, you have a props with a black or silver mark. Put the black ones on the black motors, just lock it on a place. Silver ones on the no marks motors. Return to home button, the on off button, and the left trigger, right trigger, dial on the left side, dial on the right side. The C1 and the C2 buttons for bird view and maps and FPV. Turn off the drone, turn off the remote, and unplug your smartphone. That's basically all. Thank you.